the end of your day. After all of the meetings, the to-do list, the research, the planning, the emails, do you really feel like you made progress? Or does it feel like you ran a really long race and found yourself at the same starting point? Because here's the thing nobody talks about. Being busy and making progress are not the same thing. And most of us are amazingly pro at being busy. Today, I want to break down exactly what happens and what to do about it. If you're new here, hit subscribe. Every Sunday, I put out videos and practices that help you grow, cut through the noise, and actually move forward. Remember the last time you had a big goal? Maybe it was growing your business or getting promoted or finally getting fit. Whatever it was, you showed up, you did the work that's related to that goal, you were busy every single day. And yet, months later, you're looking back and you asked yourself, why am I not further along in this goal? I've been there and I see it constantly in people who are genuinely hardworking, genuinely motivated, and no, they're not unfocused, they're not lazy, they're just stuck in what James Clear in his book The Atomic Habits calls it the motion mindset. And the best part is they don't even know it. So what is motion? Motion is when you're doing things that feel productive but they're not producing any real outcome. This is where you're planning, you're preparing, you're organizing, you're researching, you're creating your to-do lists, you're redesigning your weekly planners and all of those things. While none of these things are bad, I'll tell you the truth. Motion doesn't create results. Motion creates the feeling of creating results. You see the difference? Here are a few examples. Making a list of people you want to pitch your business to, that's motion. Actually writing the email, making the call, reaching out to them, having the conversation, that's action. Researching diet plans, looking for ingredients, adding them to your cart, that's motion. Actually going and buying your groceries, cutting them and cooking a healthy meal, that's action. Researching gyms, workout plans, buying new shoes, motion. Actually showing up and working out, action. Planning your content calendar, color coding it and getting it super aesthetic, motion. Shooting and posting, action. Motion is everything that happens before the thing. Action is the thing. Think about Steven Spielberg. Before he ever directed a real film, he used to sneak around the Universal Studios a lot as a teenager. He wasn't sitting at home watching movies about how to make a movie. He wasn't sitting at home reading books about how to make a movie. He wasn't planning all of his future films in a notebook and being like, okay, fine, when I'm ready, I'll do it. He just used to go into real film sets, watch, learn, understand what's happening live, and he made himself part of the environment. He didn't sit and think, I'll make it when I'm ready. He shot his first ever short film with a borrowed camera. He didn't have a budget. He didn't have anyone's permission. He didn't even know if anyone's going to watch this film. But still, he went ahead and shot it. Most people with a dream take years getting ready to start. But Spielberg, he just started. And wait, this isn't just about famous people. This is a pattern I see playing out in people all the time. Which brings me to the next story about someone I want to tell you about. A participant of mine, Maya, she came into one of my sessions feeling very, very, very frustrated. What was happening was she had spent the last 6 months planning, preparing, creating her content calendar, and she wanted to start posting online. She was working as a freelancer, so she knew that she had to start posting her work in order to attract the right clients. And she spent a lot of time planning her ideas, refining her content, coming up with the perfect titles, the perfect captions. She had all her inspo saved. She bought all of the gear that she wanted, a tripod, a ring light, an amazing mic. All of that was being done, but she actually never created a single post. So we had a session on how to beat procrastination where I was talking about the motion mindset and the action mindset. After that session, she went home and she created her first post. She didn't care about lighting. She didn't care about things being perfect. She just went ahead and created her first post and she posted it. She realized she had been hiding behind all of her planning. It felt like work, right? So it felt really safe, but actually nothing was happening. And let me tell you, Maya's story is not unusual. Most people are stuck in doing a lot of hard work. And it's not wrong to do hard work. But all of this hard work is actually part of the preparation and not the thing itself. James Clear puts it really well. He says that motion makes us feel like we're making progress without risking failure. So if you never post, nobody can say it's bad, right? If you don't send the email, you can never get rejected. Motion is actually a protection strategy dressed up as productivity. And the longer you stay in it, the more normal it'll start to feel. Until one day you'll realize that you've been preparing so much for a thing you never started. Just like Maya, just like so many people who are so much more capable than their planning documents will ever show. So, $1,000,000 question. How do you shift from motion to action? Just start asking yourself this question at the end of your day. What did I do today that moved something forward? Not what did you plan, what did you research, what did you organize? What actually moved in the world as a result of what you did? If you can't answer that, that's your signal. Tomorrow, do one thing that moves the needle forward. One action. Send the email, make the call, post the video, whatever counts as action for you. Tomorrow, do one. Think about Steven Spielberg sneaking onto the Universal Studios sets. Think about Maya posting that imperfect video, even without any proper lighting. They didn't wait until everything was ready. They just did the thing. You don't need to rework your entire day's schedule. You just need to make sure that somewhere inside your day, something real happened. Being busy is actually very easy, okay? Everyone's busy. But taking action, that's uncomfortable. And discomfort is where things change. So the next time you feel like you're doing all the right things, but you're not actually getting anywhere, take a step back and think, are you in action or are you in motion? That one question will change the way you work. Drop a comment below. Where in your life are you stuck in motion right now? I love reading your responses, and your responses shape what videos I make next. If this video made you think differently, hit the like button. YouTube sends my videos to more people when you like, share, and engage. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next Sunday.